My today's topic for discussion is ring expansion in case of carbocations. So, any smaller ring that is 3 carbon or 4 carbon cyclobutyl, 3 carbon is cyclopropyl or cyclobutyl ring system, they are very unstable. Let us see why. Because any normal tetrahedral carbon, so carbon making 4 single bonds with other carbon or other hydrogens, the bond angle has to be 109 degree 28 minutes. But in case of cyclopropyl ring system, this bond angle is only 60 degree, and in case of cyclobutyl, the bond angle is 90 degree. Now we know that 60 degree is far less than normal tetrahedral 109 degree 28 minutes. Similarly, 90 degrees also less than 109 degree 28 minutes, but the angle strain is more in 60-degree angle. So 60 will try to open up to 90 and 90 will try to open up to 120 and so on, so that this angle strain, the strain, so this is known as angle strain. So the carbon wanted bond angle 109 degree, but the bond angle is very less, making this ring highly unstable. So this ring would like to open up to a more stable system. Let's take for example one case of cyclopropyl system where alpha carbon has carbocation. So the alpha carbon is positively charged and there are 1, 2, 3. This is cyclopropyl system. So alpha carbon is positive. So let us number these carbon atoms as 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now let us see how the expansion will occur. The very next bond, which is alpha to the carbocation, that is any one bond, so that bond will shift to carbocation. So let us see how this shifting occurs. So the bond opens up. So this was the earlier case. So the earlier case was something like this. So this and CH2. Now what I have done is I am trying to open up this bond. So I am just trying to open up the bond. So let me open up this bond to the outer carbocation. So I am opening up this bond to the carbocation. Now the carbon which was having positive charge, lack of electron, it will get one electron from the ring system and the lack of electron will be completed. But the carbon from where we have broken the bond, it will become now plus. Now this carbon was number 1. So where the carbocation carbon was number 1, and this was second carbon, this was third carbon, and this was fourth carbon. So what happens is we can also write this system as the 4 carbons are now in the ring. So CH2 carbon number 1, the adjacent carbon is carbocation which is attached with the alpha hydrogen. Then the next carbon is the carbon number 4th. So this carbon is carbon number 4 and the next carbon is carbon number 3. So we have 4 carbon now in ring. So 1, so 2 and 3 and 4. Now the bond angle which was earlier 60, which was very unstable, has opened up to 90 degree, which is comparatively a better version. So this is how the triangular 3-membered system opened up to a 4-membered ring system.